Okay, shall we start? Shall we start? I think without further ado, let's start this week's webinar. Okay, so welcome to Jack's webinar, and I really thank you guys for coming to join to listen to my words and my thoughts on the forex and future markets. Okay, so we have in the last week we have a non-farm payroll day, right? Let's start from dollar index DXY. Okay, from my last week's perspective, right? If you still remember, I'm emphasizing on telling you guys that DXY is reaching a very, very important support. Do you remember? If you remember, please reply me one. If you have already seen my watched my videos in the YouTube, you could actually know that before the non-farm payroll day, right? Yeah, that's what I told you guys. I say dollar index is in a very important support zone. Okay, support zone, right? It's in my last week's video. Okay, 6 days ago. So that is before the non-farm payroll. Okay, and the structure support comes from this area 93 to 91.92. From this is the zone that I mark. Okay, and I say that yes, there is also a bad pattern, right? The very bullish harmonic bat pattern here. Right, it's also telling you that the DXY may have a rally. Okay, so with these two things add together, and we did find a very, very strong rally of the dollar, right? Because this day on the August 4th, the non-farm payroll day, this candle is so important. Why? Because it has broken the downtrend line, right? Can you see that? Can you see that? And I said, since the DXY is in a very important support zone, that's why we want to short Euro. Okay, we want to short Aussie, we want to short Sterling, we want to short all the major pairs, right? And for the gold, there's a 2618 trade, right? From 1267. If we I record the day, I say the gold we can short from 1267 based on the 4-hour chart. There's a 2618 trade. Okay, it's here. It's here. That last time there's a double top. Okay, the first top is here, right? This is the first top, and we know that there's a second top, right? So I'm telling you guys to wait for 618 pullback to short at 1267, and after you enter the short, your stop loss above 1274, and you earn right 100 pips. Sorry, 200 pips, right? No, 1267 to 1254. Okay, then 130 pips. Okay, that is another later go to 1251. So this is a very nice trade. Who trade that? Tell me. Anyone who trade the DXY buy or the gold short? Reply me by one. Right? Let me just show, see your how do you actually go short, right? Yeah. Okay. So we have very nice profit in last week. That's Friday. On the non-farm payroll day, we already know, or we preview, or we anticipate the market's move before it really happens, right? So that we have a very good entry with a proper stop loss and with 2 times of risk reward ratios. Okay, that is very good trade. And then just in this morning in my Asia time, right? Trump actually announced make announcement to the North Korea. Right, that is a risk-off event. So what I mean by a risk-off event is the market is so scary about the potential risks or crisis or wars or whatever. Okay, so normally this doesn't happen all times, but when it happens, the gold will have a very strong rally. That's why we see that. Okay, and right now I want to tell you guys, okay, in 4-hour chart, although the gold has rallied so much, but be careful, okay? Why that? Because the gold is entering in a very important supply zone, or we call the structure resistance, okay? We call supply because there's institutions are doing the same thing. They are doing the sell here in the last month, June 15th. That is origin of this move of this sell off. Okay, so the gold has just touched this zone, and now the price action looks bearish, being rejected. Okay, so what you guys should do is you just need to give yourself, you just mark this yellow zone, okay, which I tell you, same thing as the dollar index, the support zone, it's same thing, same area, okay, or same theory, okay. There are institutional players are selling gold to those people who want to chase the high, want to buy high, and these people are selling high. Okay, so who will win? We will see. Okay, but just tell yourself, okay, if the gold cannot close above 1281, you want to be a seller. All right, already short gold. Okay, thank you, Euro. Yes, I hope you short at 1275. Right, that is a very important structure. Okay, so but your target, first target will be about 1266. Why? Because there are structural breakouts here. It happens here, okay, become resistance for 2 candles, 3 candles, and breakout. So if the gold pulls back to 1267, okay, you may consider to take some profit of your shorts. If it continue to go down and break this point, okay, so the key points here, 1263, you need to mark this level, okay, 1263.47, right? If 1263.47 is takeaway, is broken, okay, then the gold is no longer bullish. It's no longer bullish. Become a sideways market, right? Because a high is there, a low is there. It didn't really goes up and breaks a new low, so it looks kind of a sideways. And even it may go down, okay, in the future, okay. So the key point is actually this area. Right, so you don't want to short the gold too early or want to short at this zone. Okay, you want to short high, you want to sell high, buy low, okay, but just first touch. Remember, first touch is very important. Okay, first time comes to the support zone is very important. Okay, and you want to take that buy. Okay, so the critical area is here, 1263 to 1267. This area becomes the bullish and bearish, the is a kind of separator, okay, kind of divide your thoughts of you want to be in bullish for the gold or want to be in bearish for the gold. Okay, so just mark this level, right? I want to, if you really want to short gold, I will rather wait for it to drop below 1263.47 and pull back, and you want to take a short. That will be very good short. Okay, or you want to take a short from 1275 to 1281 and aim for 1267. That is also doable. Okay, just remember that. So, okay, for the gold, you want to sell high, you want to sell the breakout, sell the structure pullback. Okay, another situation is when the gold make a bullish move and a breakout 1281. That will make their story totally different. Right? You want to buy the pullback from 1281 and aim all the way to 1,300, and this time we break the high. Okay, so that is 2 scenario. Okay, understand? All right, no questions, right? Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, yes. That will be a very nice response from you guys. I want to see your replies. Understand my strategy and my logics. All right. Okay, let's go for euro. Okay, the euro dollar, I'm waiting for a sell from 1.1840. However, if I use the Fibonacci level from the swing high at here 1.19 to this place, it actually didn't give me this entry, right? However, if you use this swing high, it would be good for you to have a 1.1825. This is a potential short opportunities. Or the time when you listen to my advice, right? And I said DXY is in a support zone, so I want to short euro. You can enter before the non-farm payroll day and use this pin. Use this bearish pin bar to give you an entry, okay? And you use a 618 pullback to short from 1.1879. That will be a perfect short from here, okay? You can see the move. right? A bearish pin bars, price going down, and then we wait for a pullback to the 618 level and short, right? And then it goes down almost 100 pips, and now the euro has breaks down, right? Another low, another low. So this potential, this low that we observe, right? This is the first low. This is the second low, right? Okay, the low is getting lower, the high is getting lower as well. So basically, it tells you that the euro now is forming a bearish channel. The trend totally changed from the previous so bullish, right? And now it becomes a bearish channel. So I want you guys to sell the high. Okay, focus on sell the high. Maybe a good entry. You still measure the move from measure the swing high to swing low. Measure the 618 level to give you some hints. I will not short here. I will probably wait for the pullback. Okay, pullback to 1.1773 maybe at a 382 level. This level is what I want to look for. Or if the euro can go back to 1.1825, that would be best. That would be best. Okay, or this structure. Or use this structure to enter a short, right? Or you can, another way is you use the channel to give you a reference, right? Wait for it to goes back to the channel and short. Okay, is a beautiful short for the euro, okay, because it makes a lower low rather than higher low and higher high. The trend changed totally. Okay, if you use the moving average system, right? Although I seldom use moving average system because it's lagging. Let me just show you the moving average system. What does it tells you? Okay, so you can see here the EMA 8, the 8 EMA has been, right, bearish, and the 89 EMA, it just broke. Okay, so this is telling you that, okay, the short moving average is going to cut the long moving average, right? Although this blue 89 EMA works very well for the support. Okay, yeah, thanks, welcome. Okay, yeah. So the moving average is also broken down. Okay, let's go for the daily. Daily is still not so bearish yet. However, the daily, you can see here, the long-term EMA is here, 1.13. So technically speaking, the euro may goes down all the way to that level, 1.13, which is about 400 pips move. And now it's below the 8 EMA, okay? So as long as it's below the moving average, you want to short the pullback, okay? All the way, aim for the price goes touch the daily 89 EMA. That is what the moving average system can tell you. Okay, so with this information, you want to sell the high. Okay, focus on sell the high, as because we know that the DXY is going higher. Okay, DXY is going higher, so you want to sell the pullback. You see here the 89 EMA works well, right? When the price goes near to the 89 EMA, boom, another slap down, right? So focus on the short. I will wait for maybe 1.1780 will be the best level, maybe, or maybe here also. If you found this 1.1720, okay, you can use this structure breakout. But if you short from here, first of all, you need to wait for this 1 hour candle to be closed below, okay, to make a true breakout. And then wait for another 2 candles or 3 candles to pull back to this zone and short. And you should have a stop loss above 1.1745. Right? That is the idea. Okay, you want to take the structure pullback short, right? And aim for, down. Okay, because I don't see any good support from previous days, all the way to here, My first stop will be 1.15, about there, about this place. Okay, the Taraki speaking days. Okay, this will be this origin move of the whole bullish move, the origin of this bullish move. So the euro may go down to 1.15 first. Okay, so there's still plenty room. Okay, you can short. Right. Of course, put your stop loss above the bearish candle. Right. Or if you are a daily trader, you want to wait for the price to pull back even higher. Right. To hold for longer term. Right. Right. That is my view for the euro. Okay. All right. So let's go for the sterling. Sterling is also a very nice short, and especially I want to say sterling yen gives a very great, uh, very great profit. Okay, for the bat pattern. Okay, so the sterling dollar. Okay, you can see here that I mentioned in my last webinar, the GBP USD has finished the ABCD move. Okay, you can see here this is an ABCD move. Let me just mark for you. Okay, and you can see how powerful of this ABCD move is. Okay, this A, B to C, N to D. Okay, this ABCD move ends at 1.3250. So if you short there, short from 1.3 to 50, okay, with maybe 30 pips stop loss level, you will be rich, right? Because you are risking 30 pips, and all the way you get about 300 pips. That is 1 to 10. Okay, another shorting opportunities comes when the price break this trend line. Okay, breaks the trend line here. Okay, you can sell the breakout, or you can find a smaller pullback in the lower time frame to short. Okay, so for the GBP, I'm thinking the bullish trend is gone, it's over. So in the next few days or few months or few weeks, okay, similar as the euro, you want to focus on short, because I don't see any good support zone here all the way until this level, 1.25. Okay, so be careful to buy sterling. It may go down to here. Okay, and you use Fibonacci level to draw the 618. You see, wow, perfect. You match the 618, 1.25551, right? So don't buy the sterling until it reaches to 1.2551, and then you may consider to become a bullish buyer for the GBP to have another rally. Okay, because this is ABCD move. Okay, means that the correction is gone, and it may goes down to 618 to test the previous this neckline here. Okay, all right. Okay, so now we still have about 400 pips to go. So find a pullback to short. Okay, find a pullback to short. That would be an ideal case. So you can enjoy the return of your short, and then you want to buy from 1.2551. When you see the price action is there, you see the buyers comes in, institutional orders comes in, the price stop making lower low, and you want to buy at this area. Okay, that is for GBP. So with the GBP have this direction move up down, let's look at for the sterling yen. The sterling yen is fantastic trade. It's really a very nice trade. Okay, if you remember, I think in the 2 weeks ago, right? This is a pattern I draw. Okay, on July, that is 1 month ago, July 11, there's a bearish bad pattern completed for the sterling yen. And then there's a smaller bad pattern complete there. And then there is an ABCD move, but however, it didn't really touch there. Okay, however, you can still hold your shots from all the way from 147.50. Okay, and then you have that is 500 pips moves already. Okay, so yeah, let's just take a review of this trade. Okay, it works pretty well, right? Works pretty well. It's just, falls down quickly, goes to my first target, and now it's going to my second target. All right, so just hold your short. Why? Because I want to give you guys another thoughts. Guys, do you find that there is another bullish bat pattern here? I think Ken should realize, all the students from my students group, right? If you remember, all right, I think all the people have learned how to draw harmonic patterns, right? We have a very powerful students group to discuss all the ideas, right? We publish just from the WhatsApp group. Okay, so we have a bullish bat pattern here. Okay, fulfilled all the criteria, and this is telling you that the GBP yen is going to 139 level. Okay, about there. Okay, and before that, there's a bearish bat here. Okay, that's we call harmonic combinations. Okay, so I want to trade from this bearish bat D point to all the way to this D point. Okay, that is a great profit. Right, so now since I already have the higher shorting entries, I will just keep my positions and keep my positions. I will take some profit in the middle, take some profit, and until then here, I will consider to to clear all the shorts and starting to buy. Of course, I will use the GBP/USD when it hits into the 0.618 level. Okay, so this is idea I want to give you guys. Okay, in the longer time, just be careful that the 30 yen may go to 133. Okay, that is scary, right? Yeah, that is scary because once this trend line is broken, I think it will go to 133. But I want to know what will happen. If the dollar yen go back to 100 or the GBP go back to 1.20, I have no idea. But since I already have we already have a very nice short from here. Why not just keep your shorts all the way? Do you agree? Yeah, if you agree, just reply me by one. Right, since we already have a very nice short from here, why not just keep your shorts, right? Just move your stop loss to break even and hold as long as you can, because that is a risk-free trade, right? That's how you can enjoy the trend, how you can enjoy the returns. Okay, cool. Okay, let's move on to the Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar, we have a bearish signal from here. Go back to 1 hour chart. I think the short, there's a shorting opportunities comes from this harmonic patterns, but didn't really complete to 0.80050, but it completes this ABCD patterns, right? So this is a very beautiful move of the ABCD patterns. Okay, if it tells you that you can short from the 0.786 level onwards, right? You can short from this structure. Okay, when ABCD completes, okay, here into here. This is all your short level potential reversal zone, and that's moves very nice. Okay, moves very nice. So from this, the Aussie has been a downtrend channel already, and this morning Aussie have a very nice pullback shot from here, which I mentioned in my QQ group. Right, is it pull back to 0.7890? You want to short and just take your stop loss above 79.20, and now you have about 20 pips move, right? It may still continue to go down, okay, to test this zone. Okay, I think Aussie will go back to 0.77. Okay, we'll go back to here. Oops. All right, so I think Aussie also want to short to that level. Okay, and let's go for the Kiwi dollar. Okay, Kiwi dollar tomorrow have an interest rate decision, but I don't think the Kiwi will go to will announce their interest rate hike. Okay, so I think the Kiwi dollar from daily chart, I think the trend has been broken. So okay, and definitely the trend is being broken, right? And the price being lower low and lower low. Okay, all the way goes down, but it has already dropped a lot. So the best selling zone will be about 0.7390. Okay, it will be here. So tomorrow is at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. in the morning, okay, when the New Zealand Central Bank announced the interest rate decision. Okay, if the price goes up, okay, and you want to take a short from this level, well, that would be the best idea to give you opportunity to sell high, okay. And I think the overall the Kiwi dollar's uptrend is broken and make all the way go down to 72 first, and then go to here, go to maybe eventually go to 0.69, right? That is for the Kiwi. Okay, let's talk about dollar yen. So let me take some water. All right. So the dollar yen, we have a very nice buy from yesterday from the 618 level. If you see my trading view ideas, and it works very well. Immediately after your entry, immediately you win 50 pips, right? From 110.30. The non-farm payroll, they give you a very nice profit of almost 100 pips, 130 pips. Yesterday's my idea give you 50 pips. Okay, and when the price goes to to the structure here, you should take some profit and then make your stop loss to break even, right? Second test, maybe you can still buy again, but it just move your stop loss. I mean, just execute your plan. Okay, you don't want to see the price to go back down, right? So you should be in stop here. Okay, lose a little bit, then you can avoid the future loss here. DXY double top? No, I don't think so. DXY is still in a very low location in the daily chart. I won't say it's a double top, but you can find some pullbacks to buy. Okay, maybe in 1 hour you can see this double top. Maybe in 1 hour chart because you didn't mention your trading time frame, right? So in daily chart, I think it's kind of break off this downtrend. So you want to find the pullback to buy. Okay. Yeah, DXY, you see the spikes up, it's still telling you, actually the breaks out a little bit, okay? It has some selling because people are taking profit, okay? There you can see the people taking profit. However, the high is getting higher, so still a higher high. So I won't say it's a double top, right? Double top doesn't look like this. A double top looks like this, okay? You see the first top put in here, second top didn't go higher than that, and then most importantly you need to see the neckline to be broken, then this is double top. Okay, this is double top, that is not. Okay, that is not the neckline definitely is not broken. Okay, all right. Okay, move on to dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, what I'm thinking is I won't touch this pair because it's kind of strange because DXY is going up but dollar yen is going down due to the risk event. So when the risk off event happens, I don't really touch these pairs. I just want to keep my shorts from sterling yen, right? Because it may still goes down. I think there is an important triangle here. If you use the triangle from here, yeah, kind of some support, right? But just to be careful, the triangle may break down. Okay, it may go to 105, maybe in the daily. It may go back to 105, right? If something happened to the dollar or something happened to the yen, all right? Okay, go back to dollar CAD. Right, dollar CAD. I think we are catching a bottom to buy from last week onwards, right? I'm saying that the dollar CAD may test this level, right? Let me just show you. And it's beautiful, beautiful, reversal. Dollar CAD, yeah. Thinking that the data is not there. Okay, it's here. It's about this place. Okay, 1.2454. Okay, you mark this level and you see the price action about this level. You see, okay, goes down, but boom, goes up. Another second test, can't break new low, and then that is a place you want to start to buy. And when see the forms is double bottom, okay, this is a double bottom here. Okay, the price, this is the first bottom. Okay, second bottom, breaks a neckline, and here, this is your entry. Guys, can you see that? Okay, first bottom, second bottom, breaks up, and this wick is retesting the neckline. So that is a buy on opportunities for the dollar CAD. Okay, so I'm thinking the dollar CAD may goes up to here, 1.2866, right? So keep your long, or you want to find the pullback to buy, and all the way go to here, and then it may go back to 382 or 618 level, which is 1.2940 or 1.3265. Depends on oil. Okay, depends on oil as well. Still holding your long. Wow, that's good, Ken. Where did you buy? I think it's about 1.2460, right? Should be there. Yeah. Okay. Last thing, let's talk about the S&P. Okay. Our SP 500 is actually a bearish engulfing candle here, kind of a spiking up, right? And today is going down, so it still cannot go above 12481. However, it actually hit my stop loss yesterday. Okay, very bad. Okay, hit my stop loss, right? Because it spikes too much. Hit my stop loss, then go down again. So immediately you want to find a pullback short trade because you see such a spike. You can re-enter the short when you see the price goes back down. Okay, you can see these two candles. These two candles, okay, bullish move, but it's a 100% retracement, and then the price start to reverse. Okay. And when it goes down below 2481, and that's the level you want to short it again. Okay. However, in the 4-hour chart, what we can see is the bearish move is due to the risk-off event, due to the Trump's threaten of the North Korea. So I won't say it may be a big reversal point. However, you can see here all the bullish buyers are, not so good for the bulls, right? Because the trend line is broken, a very, very important big red candles. Okay, I think the support from this level is going to be tested. Okay, so maybe there will be a sell down and pullback trade for the S&P. Okay, maybe. Okay, since dollar yen is go down, gold is going up, S&P, okay, you need to check the price section from 2462 level. This support is so important. If it can still hold above there, it may still have some bounce. However, if some other things happen, make the stock buyers so so scary, it may trigger the sell off, right? So this is my view. Okay, above 2460, maybe you can continue to buy, but your entry, your target will be 2475. Will be this place because this structure is now taken away, become a bearish side of this zone here. Okay, so buy to 2475. You pull back to 2475. You want to take a short, and aim for another big targets. Okay, all right. So, okay, that's all for this week's thoughts. I think we have covered almost everything. Really, thank you for your time. It's about 48 minutes, right? Yeah. I'm going to have some rest. Cause the whole day I'm doing I'm doing the webinars and teachings to train trainers. Okay. I will have a training session on 19/14th, invited by an organization in Singapore. I will attend that seminar and to tell you guys about something. What is my course? Okay, what is my trading setups? Okay, so if you want to learn how to trade, you can consider to have some view of my website. Okay, you can join my students group. Okay, right, that's good. Suffering. Sarah, you made 2,005 profit. Okay, Sarah is my student. Right, thanks. That's really good. Okay, so you can go to here. You can see what I can offer you is my best training. Okay, so you can get the 6 skills that you can benefit for a lifelong time. Okay, how understand how the market moves, how to buy or sell high, how to identify the patterns, right? The trading setups, and how to use correct stop loss, target, and entry, plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay, right. This is what I can offer to you. Okay, so see you guys next week. Okay, so take your trade and take your plan. Okay, make it consistent in a one systematical way. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Happy trading. Happy life.